My name is Sugandha Agarwal and I am going to give a brief on my project Image Steganography. So I have made this project on Python based on desktop application using tkinter. So now what is tkinter? Tkinter is an interface of Python. It is a standard interface of Python which binds Python by GUI toolkit. Presentation outline. What does this presentation covers? First, what is steganography? Second, types of steganography. Third, methodology. Fourth, project analysis. And fifth, scope of the project. So now let's move forward. The first is what is steganography? So steganography comes from a Greek word stegonas and graphy. Stegonas means covered and graphy means writing. By combining these two words, we achieve steganography. Now, what is the goal of steganography? What is the purpose of steganography? The goal of steganography is to hide messages in such a way that no one apart from the intended recipient even knows that a message has been sent. This can be achieved by concealing the existence of information within seemingly harmless carriers or cover. As you can see in this image, a confidential message has been embedded into an image. Steganography sounds fun, but how does it work? So as you can see in this image, it is a short process of converting a message into a secret message by encoding and decoding and by processing into a communication channel using some keys. Now, what are the types of steganography? Based on the format of the carrier file, the steganography can be distinguished as number 1, image steganography, number 2, audio steganography, third, video steganography, and fourth, text file steganography. These four are the types of steganography that can be used. But in this project, I have used image steganography. So let's see what image steganography basically is. But before coming into image steganography, the first question arises, why image steganography? So the answer is very easy. As we all know, image files are currently available, one of the most abundantly used file format of the web. Image steganography can be achieved pretty easily with lossless data abstraction techniques such as LSB, that is least significant bit steganography. Due to the availability of low-cost editing tools, digital data, it can be easily copied, modified, and retransmitted in the network by any user. To efficiently support the growth of multimedia communications, it is essential to develop tools that protect and authenticate digital information. Now, what is the methodology behind this project? Steganography technique used is least significant bit, as I earlier told that the technique used in this project is LSB. Now what LSB is? The last bit in a pixel is called as least significant bit as its value will affect the pixel only by 1. So this property is used to hide the data of the image. Now if anyone have considered last two bits as LSB bits as they will affect the pixel value only by 3. This helps in storing extra data. The least significant bit is steganography. It is one such technique in which least significant bit of the image is replaced with data bit. As you can see in this figure, this diagram illustrates the color difference when LSB of red channel is modified. Now understanding LSB steganography. As you can see in this image, the original image is converted into stego image by encoding and decoding process. Now in this image also the text numbers are converted into binary format so as they can be used as an hidden message. Now the project analysis. What are the phases of the project? As when an user When any user will open this application, the first pop-up will come, welcome. What can I do for you? Now the user has to select his appropriate action, what he wants the project to do. Now if the user wishes to hide the secret message in the image, he has to select the .bpn image file, as you can see in this figure. Now a pop-up will come to enter the secret message, and here the user will enter whatever he or she wants to hide. The loaded image is automatically saved in the same directory which you have selected, as you can see in this image. Now if the user wishes to retrieve the secret text hidden in the image, he has to select the loaded.bpn file image again. The hidden message is retrieved back as plain text for the user. The user can also store the revealed text into a text file using this project. For example, a secret message after decoding stored in a txt file, for example, Notepad. This was all about the project analysis, and now comes the design of the project. This project is aimed to build an easy to use desktop based application which could take carrier image and message to hide from the user and provide the user with the encoded image. Further, the user is able to decode the hidden message using the same application. TK-Intel library is used as the GUI of the project, which is based on Python language. Further, the user can also store the revealed hidden message in a text file. Now, this is the block diagram of the project. As you can see, start and the encryption decryption process will be applied. Then whatever your message will be, it will be converted into an BPN image so that no one else can see your secret message. Now, what is the future scope of the project? That is the applications of the project, in how many ways this project can be used. First, detecting steganography in image files. Second, steganography on the World Wide Web. Third, steganography in printed media. This was all about my project. I hope you like it. Thank you.